¿Cuántas, joven? ¿Cuántas le sirvo?
Peace de resistance.
Yes.
The summer of soccer is almost over, but not quite yet. So we're making 3 drinks from the 3 countries where all the action is happening. And first up, we've got the United States. When I'm thinking of the United States, I'm thinking of big metropolitan cities like New York. So the drink I'm going to be making is the Manhattan, which is beloved by my family, my mom, my grandmother, and my husband's from New York. So let's get started. So it's 2 parts whiskey. My mom always uses Maker's Mark. Party, it's party over here. 1 part sweet vermouth. This was like a popular drink in the 1800s, I guess, or like when they started really experimenting with cocktails. Dashes of bitters. Then you're gonna add a ton of ice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Actually, Manhattan is always served. My family sometimes likes to shake it because it makes it super cold, super quick, and it gets these little like pieces of ice chips into the drink that are just delicious. And you want to shake till your hand is freezing. And then we're gonna add some Guajardo cherries, a little bit of the syrup to the bottom of the glass, a little tiny bit more syrup. We don't usually serve it over ice. It's usually like in a martini style glass. But we have these really cute soccer ice. We'll put that in, and then we're gonna strain in our drink. And you've gotta finish it off with a cherry or 2, depending on how much you like the person you're making this for. I'm gonna do 2. Great, because I love myself. Cheers to USA Soccer. Yes, sweet, bitter, whiskey, it's great.
Hi, my name's Morley. I'm actually from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, just north of where the Caesar, the Canadian drink, was made. This is a great hangover cure after a big soccer match. You're watching the game, get excited, have too much to drink. The Caesar, your go-to drink the next morning to bring you back to reality. It starts with rimming the glass with a steak salt. Salt around the top. Start with that. Don't put the ice in first. It doesn't work well when you're rimming the glass. I don't use very much ice. Being from Canada, we have a lot of ice. There's too much of that. We're gonna set this aside and start with our mix, our Clamato juice. Clamato juice is really important. In a Bloody Mary, you'd use tomato juice. The reason we use Clamato, it's a little bit thinner, it's really, really good. Next, we're gonna add in the Worcester sauce. You can put as much or as little as you want in. I like to go free pour. So I do a little 1, 2, oop, no more than that. Then Tabasco. I love it spicy, some always don't. I think that's plenty, but you can change as taste desires. The celery salt. This is what a Bloody Mary doesn't have and what a Caesar does. Just a pinch, that'll do ya. We're using a 0-proof vodka today, and how much will depend on how hungover you are. And that's 1 1/4 ounces. I'm gonna add a little more ice to it. It feels a little naked without it, and to keep with Canadian temperatures, why not? And now we're ready. I can smell it from here. And lastly, celery. I'm a celery guy, only guy. And the reason that's important is you gotta give her a little stir and make sure everything in the bottom goes everywhere. I know we shook it, but it doesn't mean it doesn't settle. And then it's a meal as well. Help with the hangover. So good.
Hey everyone, this is Luisito from Mexico, and I will be making the Mexico drink. I will be preparing some Diablito shooters. Yes! And of course, to make Diablito shooters, we need something spicy like Gran Malo. Yes! So let's get it started. First, some ice, no? Ice, baby. Important. And in some countries, they don't really drink ice. I was recently in Dominican Republic. It's hot there, okay? It's so hot, but they don't drink ice. That was so weird to me. But we Mexicans, we love our icy drinks. All right, let's pour the Gran Malo in. For this one's gonna be a strong one. This one's gonna be a spicy one. Because this is not your regular tequila. This is not the kind of tequila that will make your face go like an orange when you shot it. This is a tamarind spicy tequila. No faces, just a poker face. It's so delicious. Some watermelon schnapps here, yeah. There we go. Oh, smells good as well. Ah, nice. Now it's turning a little red like a Diablo, a little devil. Then we're gonna pour in some lemon. Yes, there we go, some lime for you. So we're gonna do 3 dashes of this. Apparently this is, how much is a dash? Is that a dash or was that too much? That was too much of a dash, right? Let's, I mean, yeah, this is the Diablito shooter, so it has to be, you know, spicy. So some tajin. So now let's go to the serious part. We're gonna mix this stuff. Probably I'm gonna make a mess right now, all right? I don't have any experience in cocktail mixing. Oh, there we go, yeah. ¿Cuántas, joven? ¿Cuántas le sirvo? Yes. So now these are Diablito shooters, right? So we have to pour them in shot glasses. And let's make it extra spicy. So here I have my shot glass. There we go. So first a little bit of this. Ooh. Oh la la. You know this feeling that your mouth starts to water? I am feeling this. Yeah, this looks really good. Okay, so there we have it. This drink that we're making serves 5 shots, all right? So here we have it. There we go. Nah, look at that. Ooh, 4. Aye. And then some lime. So we have the green, we have the white, we have the red. Ooh, there we go. I'll tell you, this is the shot you have to be making if you are Team Mexico, all right? When you're watching the matches, having some friends over, whatever, this is your drink. So yeah, let's enjoy the Diablito shooters with Gran Malo. Salud, salucita, cheers.